Welcome back guys to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to store games that you have backed up or the data of it onto Epic Launcher. So basically you have to do first is go to library, choose the game that you want to restore and that you have the data of. For example, I'm going to choose Limbo. Press on install and then install and pause the download right as it starts. Once you have done that, close Epic Launcher like I have did right now. Then go to my PC, go to the folder of the data that you have. For example, this is the one for me. Select it all and copy them. You can Control and C or just right click and copy or cut. It's better to do a copy one because it might fail sometimes, so just do it more than once if it fails till it gets right. Anyways, after you copied the files, paste it onto the installation folder of the game. By the way, this step works for almost every game, unless it has like a major update. So anyways, open Epic Launcher again, go to library after it's in opening. I'm going to show you in a minute. Go to library, choose the game that you're restoring. For me it's Limbo, so I'm going to search for Limbo and press on resume. It's going to start downloading again. Just verify, and if there's an update, you get an update right away. Like it showed, it's like less than a megabyte. And that works basically for almost all of the games. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you found it useful too, don't forget to like the video and consider subscribing. I do a lot of tutorial videos and I do gameplay. And by the way, I'm gonna do a full gameplay of this game Limbo on next video. So I hope you found it useful and stay tuned for the next video.